Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Remelda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today we are making cracked chicken. Okay, the chicken breasts have already been washed in a vinegar and water solution, and I pat them dry with a piece of paper towel. Now I'm getting ready to smash them out. Okay, so I'm right here transferring them into a Ziploc plastic bag. Making sure nothing is overlapping. Everyone should be flat. Then I'm going to use this meat mallet to mash them out. Tenderize them. Just like that. Turn over and do the same thing on the other side. I want them extremely thin, not into little pieces now. Smash them out just like that. Okay, they are ready. You see how thin that is? All right. Great. Okay, now I'm just going to transfer them into this little bowl right here to soak them in some whole milk for about 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes to be exact. The whole milk. Now I guess if you don't have whole milk on hand, you can use evaporated milk. And follow the steps that I'm giving today. Make sure the meat is covered with the milk. All right, this is going to help tenderize them. And on top of that, I'm going to add a half of a large lime, the juice. Okay, that's going to really make it soft after cooking it. Okay, some seasoning. Now if you don't have this, just use the salt and black pepper. That's fine, but I have it, so I'm using it. Some sazon. That's gonna really give it its pretty color after cooking. Now I'm using part cornmeal and part flour. Now if you want to use just one, go ahead, but this is what I want. A half cornmeal, a half flour. And I'm just adding a little seasoning to this mixture. The same thing what I put on the chicken. I also added a few splashes of hot sauce. Now that's some pepper flakes. This is paprika. Same thing goes into the flour mixer. That's parsley. That's optional now. I just want to see the little specks of green in the meat. Get that all mixed up. Just lightly season the flour. Don't overdo it because you've already seasoned the chicken. You don't need it salt. Less is always best. And family and friends, I'm still doing it. I am still doing it. Still bringing the restaurant home. Okay, get that all massaged in. Make sure every piece is coated in all that goodness. Noticed I didn't turn the milk off. I did not turn it off. It is still there. So the milk is already absorbed in the chicken. Now the eggs. I'm using 2 eggs. A little piece of shell. Okay, get it all mixed up. Get some air into that. Okay, so I'm going to dip the chicken into the egg, then the cornmeal mixture, then fry. So follow along as I bring it home. Okay. And I must pause right here to say thank you a million to my members. You are still here with me. God bless you. You are strong and you are faithful. Thank you a million. Okay, now my deep fryer isn't heat to the right temperature as yet because I just turned it on. So I'm just going to rest them on the side until the fat in the deep fryer is ready. The grease, until that's ready. This is so tasty. Just like cracked conch. So if you don't have the conch, make some cracked chicken. You work it. And thank me later. I love my cracked conch with cornmeal as well. But you can also use just the flour. It's up to you. Now it's time to fry. The deep fryer is set at 300 degrees. So I'm just frying. I'm trying not to crowd the pan or the deep fryer, whichever one you're using. Okay, see that? Nice and golden. You'll know when it's ready because it's gonna get a little stiff. About 2 minutes max, not more than that. Now if you're using a pan, you're gonna have to turn it over, but I'm using a deep fryer, so I don't have to turn this over. You work it. These are so delicious. So delicious. The second batch. All right, on the paper towel just to absorb some of the oil. That's the cracked chicken right there. Enjoy it with your favorite side, rice, fries, salad, whatever you have. And thank you very much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.